up here, we're trying to figure out the best way to get the ducting in the attic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run a trunk line the whole length of the attic for the supply ducting, and then we're gonna connect all of our supply vents and all of our return to the main trunk line. We're gonna try to make sure, one, the trunk line is sealed up nice and tight so there's no air leakage. We don't want air leaking into the attic. That's gonna cause an inefficient system. And then we're gonna wrap all the duct and insulation. So the guys are going to get the duct into the attic. We're gonna try to wrap it before we get into the attic and see if that can make the job easier by doing that stuff down in the garage. Once the entire trunk line's in the attic, then we'll tie in the branch runs of flex into the trunk, and the branch runs will be 6-inch and 8-inch flex runs. We're gonna try to keep those as short as possible. We don't want any runs over like 12 feet, and then we wanna make sure that all the runs are nice and tight so the airflow's good, and then again, everything's sealed up properly. If we have a tight seal on all the connections, then we're not gonna have any air leakage and the system's gonna work great. Typically, we don't put a lot of systems in attics, but due to the nature of this job and their attic being a little taller with a nice platform, we wanted to try to minimize the amount of space that the system takes up in the home, so that's why we're doing it this way.